Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Sapphire Falls, which is Universal Orlando's only preferred level on-site resort hotel. This hotel has great dining, a convenient location, an excellent park shuttle system, and some of the most comfortable beds on site. So come with me as we check out this beautiful resort. Sapphire Falls is located in the Volcano Bay area, along with Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort and Universal's Aventura Hotel. Not only is Sapphire Falls very close to Volcano Bay Water Park, but it's also the only Volcano Bay area hotel to offer water taxi service to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Or if you'd prefer not to rely on the water taxi, Sapphire Falls is only a 10 to 12 minute walk away from those two parks. Sapphire Falls is a preferred level resort, meaning that it offers a higher level of amenities than Universal's value and prime value properties, but it doesn't offer the same unlimited express pass benefit as Universal's premier resorts. Parking for Sapphire Falls is located in this garage to our right, as is Universal's Aventura Hotel. Sapphire Falls has laid-back Caribbean theming, and that is on full display from the moment you walk into this beautiful lobby, which houses the main check-in area, several seating spaces with views of their awesome pool, as well as an entrance to Strongwater Tavern, which is a favorite spot where guests can relax and grab a beverage or a snack. To the left of the seating area is the walkway leading to the guest house where our pool view 2-queen room was located. Out these back windows past the pool, you can see Universal's Islands of Adventure. This gives you a great idea of just how close Sapphire Falls is to the two main theme parks. Here we have a view of the beautiful falls at Sapphire Falls, as well as the channel leading to the theme parks. Across the water, we can also see Royal Pacific Resort, which is one of Universal's premier properties. Our full video tour of that hotel can be found in the top right-hand corner or in the description below. We're now going to make our way over to the other end of the lobby to check out the Vacation Planning Center, the Universal Studios store, and the quick service and grab-and-go location. Here is the Vacation Planning Center, where guests who booked a vacation package can pick up their tickets or annual passes. Past the Vacation Planning Center, we can see the Universal Studios store on our right and the New Dutch Trading Company to our left. Inside the Universal Studios store, there was a large collection of Sapphire Falls branded merchandise to choose from, as well as merchandise themed to the franchises you'll find in the Universal theme parks, such as Harry Potter, Jurassic World, Despicable Me, and more. On our way across the hall to the New Dutch Trading Company, we can see the entrance to one of the other guest houses as well as the ballrooms. The New Dutch Trading Company had a good selection of coffees, grab-and-go items, and hot entrees. They also had ice cream and pastries, which were a huge hit with my kids. We're now going to make our way over to this beautiful stacked stone stairwell to make our way down to the second level. The second level houses the arcade and the gym, as well as the exit out to the pool. We're now going to go outside and take a look at the pool. Sapphire Falls has the largest pool on site at Universal, and it is a great place to swim, relax, and play games. It also features a great pool bar called the Drum Club, which offers drinks and snacks. Here we see the walkway that leads from the main lobby level over to Guest House 2, where our room was located. Here's a peek at the Drum Club, which is the pool bar. As you can see, the pool offers ample free seating, but if you're interested, you can also rent a private cabana. From the pool area are stairs leading down to the falls at Sapphire Falls. You can see some beautiful views here of the landscaping as well as the boat dock. Here we see one of the water taxis on its way to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. As I mentioned earlier, the water taxi isn't the only way to get from Sapphire Falls to the theme parks. There's also a walking path that will have you there in 10 to 12 minutes, walking at a moderate pace. We're now going to make our way down to the first floor to see Amatista Cookhouse and the exit out to the water taxi. Amatista is a table service restaurant and is very popular with guests. It's definitely worth checking out on your next trip. Here you can see the exit out to the water taxi. We've now made it back upstairs to the main lobby level, from which we'll walk over to Guest House 2 to tour our Pool View 2 Queen Room. On our way to the room, you can see even more great views of this beautiful pool, including the water slide. I'm going to give you a look at a standard 2-queen pool view room at Universal Sapphire Falls. So as we first turn off to our left here, you'll see that we have this nice full-size mirror. We also have this beautiful tile here on the floor. Off to our right is the closet. The theming of this resort is Caribbean, and so you're gonna see a lot of really pops of bright colors throughout the decor, not only in the rooms themselves, but also in the lobby and the main spaces. So you can see we have a safe here. We do have a shelf up top. We have a full-size iron and ironing board, as well as plenty of floor space for storing your luggage. As we turn off to our left here, we enter our bathroom area. I absolutely love the mirror in this bathroom, and I'm going to show you one really unique feature of it. As we come over here, you'll see this little button right here on the mirror itself, and if you tap that, it actually controls the amount of light around the mirror. So you can have it be dim or really, really bright. We have a nice makeup mirror over here, and there's also a nice large walk-in shower. We do have bench seating in the shower, which is nice. And this is also where the toilet is located. So we come out into the main space. You can see we have a nice big window, lets in a lot of natural light. And you can see more of those kind of beachy Caribbean colors, not only in the artwork, but also in the headboards of these pretty queen beds. I'll come over here and show you that we do have USB ports as well as outlets located in between the beds. So that's nice for charging devices. We have a nice little chair as well as a good workspace. And then over here in this dresser, we have some good sized drawers on the left and also in the middle. And then over here on the right is where our mini refrigerator is located. No freezer compartment in this one, but still plenty of space to store beverages or medications that you might need. So we come over here, you can see that this room comes equipped with a Keurig. You also have it furnished with K-cups as well as cream and sugar and other things you might need. Back behind our ice bucket here, you can see we have some more outlets as well as some more USB ports. Some more great artwork. This is my favorite feature of this room. This beautiful pool view. So as we pan this area all the way over on our right, we see Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Behind Sapphire Falls, we see the Aventura. But here we have this beautiful pool. This is Universal's largest pool on property. Right over here is actually where the water slide lets out. But down here we have this fun little splash pad area for kids. Just a really, really beautiful pool area. So again, this is our pool view 2-queen room at Universal's Sapphire Falls. We've now made our way out to the front of the property where we can see another way to access the walking path leading to the theme parks. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Sapphire Falls at Universal Orlando Resort. I've been lucky enough to stay in all 8 of Universal's on-site hotels, and Sapphire Falls is one of my favorites. If you'd like to plan a trip to stay here with your family, my vacation planning services are completely free when you book your vacation through me at the same price as booking on Universal's website. I'll give you tips and tricks for the parks, help you with dining reservations, and monitor for discounts to save you money, all at no additional cost to you. Visit GingerMMT.com for a free quote on your next vacation. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.